has changed to my real name. I think, as you guys can hear, I have headphones on, so I'm not exactly sure if you guys can hear this, but it is thundering right now. Not thundering, but it's about to storm with the sky. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Do you guys see that? Oh! It was an eagle! Guys, look at this. I'm trying to show you. Did you guys see that? I'm definitely posting this video. I don't know why I'm talking like this right now. I didn't know there was going to be an eagle outside today, but nice thing for my video. Thank you. Oh, there's a little tiny bird. Hi, little tiny bird. Where's the eagle? Eaglet. Eagle. Kind of want you in my video. I think people want you in my video too. No, I heard an eagle. Did you? I know you guys saw that, didn't you? Guys. Oh my gosh. Now there's this bug. Yeah, I don't want to. Just be quiet, bug. Bugs can't talk, Taylor. What are you doing? But you guys saw that eagle, right? It's over there now. Guys, I'm trying to get as close to the eagle as I can. Who's in the sky now? Woo! I hope you guys can see this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I know it's an eagle because its colors and its beak is like not like a bird. It's an eagle. Yeah, I have to tell my mom. There's an eagle outside. Mom, there's an eagle outside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it on camera. Posting it on YouTube. Okay, I think she knows I do YouTube now. See, there's a normal bird. Where's the big bird? Big bird! Eaglet! Eagle! There he is! I caught him and he came. I hope you guys can really see him because I want you guys to see this. There he is. Well, that's never a good sign. Soaring. Circling. It's never a good sign. Oh gosh. I hope you guys are seeing this, but I don't know. I'm using my phone. I don't have a camera to film on, plus I don't know how to upload videos on camera. But he's over there circling something. I really hope you guys can see this. If not, my bad, I'm sorry. If you guys can't hear me, then I'm sorry too. Whoa! I don't think that's the eagle. That is the eagle. What does he like to eat? He likes to eat like rats. I really hope you guys are seeing this. This is really cool. Eagle, come back. Eagle, come back, please. Guys, this is really, really cool. It is super cool. I don't know where he went. I'm hoping this is like the little speaker. Hoping you guys can see this and hear me at the same time. See, like, that's a normal bird. I don't know, but the birds are pretty cool today. That's good. I mean, I really hope you guys can hear me through this. If not, you can just see the beautiful eagle. Beautiful eagle, come here. There it is! Ew, there's a hat on me. Eagle! My house is in the way. I'm sorry if you guys just stared at the ground for a second there. I think he's chasing a bird or something. He's soaring through the sky. I don't know what he's doing. There he is again. Oh god, he's getting awful close. Awful close! I really hope you guys can see that because he got really, really close to me. I'm trying not to chew on my cord now. It's an addiction. Okay guys, there was a rattling. There's some like metal it sounded like. I wonder if that's another eagle. I don't think this is the place for eagles, but he's the bird. Oh no, it's raining. Oh, I really hope you guys stops raining. So the bird will come back. The eaglet. Eaglet. Eagle. Eagle. Come back. Want to see you again. But guys, that was really cool. So, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. At first I did not know a bird, a ginormous eagle, was going to come in my video. But it was our guest appearance, I guess. I had to delete my apps so I could film a video. Because it said storage space full. I clicked the camera and it said I didn't have enough space and I had to delete the app, so I deleted the app. I know. Stop biting your cord. Where did he go? Come back, eagle. Eagle, please come back. Okay. Let's go down here, because whenever I come down here, he like comes this way. But I'm getting kind of rained on a little bit. But it's fine. Do you guys want me to go to my front porch? I thought I saw him over there, by the bushes, behind the bush, something. Guess not. I'm gonna go to my front porch and see if he's up there. So, be right back, guys. Guys, it's about to storm. I hope you guys can hear this. Wait, there's somebody walking by. Shh. Hi. Huh? Mm-hmm.